Hey guys, how's it going? ABC here again, and today we're just going to do a little video on the PvP system in A Pirate's Tale, kind of the new reward system that they added and all the stuff like that. So basically they added a new system where when you kill a player or sink their ship, you actually have a chance of getting a reward. And I actually have the list of rewards here for you guys. Let me just pull it up right here. Alright, so this is the current rewards that you can get from PvP. This is subject to change. They might change everything around, you don't know. So this is what you can currently get. So you can get the Admiral blouse, the coat, the pants, the shirt, and the vest. And that's for common. And then for legendary you can get the Aegis or Aegis. I'm not sure how to say that, which I can actually show you here because you could actually go see the ship in the shipwright. So this is the Aegis right here. It's kind of like a portable island. It's with this massive cannon. It's pretty cool. I mean, we're trying to get it. It's a legendary, so that's really low drop rate. If it's the same with the other items, it's like a 2% chance. Alright, we also have here, we have for rare, we have the Steampunk Flintlock, the Steampunk Gauntlet, the Steampunk Musket, and the Steampunk Slasher. These are all pretty decent weapons. The musket is really good. Alright, for ultra rare we actually have the Steampunk Surfer. I can actually show you that one right here. It's insanely fast, so it's really good for getting around when you guys need to like get around and go places. But I actually have the ship. I'm not sure if it's sunk or not. Alright, it's not, so I can actually show you it. This is the ultra rare, so this is probably about an 8% chance of actually acquiring it. Let's see if we could get on here. There we go. Oh no, the Kraken's gonna sink it, isn't it? Yeah, the Kraken's gonna sink it. Oh no, maybe not. Okay, cool. So this ship is like 50 speed. It's insanely fast. It's mainly used for like getting around places because it's just really fast. Alright, so that is the Surfer. And then for uncommon, we just have the faceplate, the sword, the tricorn, which is the hat, the fabled captain, which is the title, inflatable muscles, which is actually from SpongeBob, with a little anchor on it, and then the Yoduin shoulder buddy, which is basically just like the Kraken one, like the octopus, but it's a Yoduin, and it's on your shoulder. Alright, so also we actually have here the chance of PvP. The way that the PvP system works, guys, is that when you kill somebody or sink their ship, there's a chance that you will get a reward from it. It's not guaranteed when you kill them. I actually have the rates right here. So you have a 25% chance from killing a person. So if you kill a person in the game, you have a 25% chance of getting a reward. And if you sink their ship, you have a 35% chance of actually getting a reward from sinking their ship. They always change this around. I'm pretty sure it used to be 15%. So by the time you see this video, this doesn't mean this is the correct number. This is just the correct number at the current point, time and date, I guess you could say. But yeah, what else do we have here? Oh yeah, once you get a reward, you need to wait 20 minutes before you can actually acquire another PvP award. But the way you could actually get around that for people that want to farm this is all you need to do is close the game and go on to another server, and then your 20-minute timer will reset, and then you could just do that to get another reward. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the PvP reward system and how it works. I think we pretty much covered all of it. If not, I'm not too sure. Usually what I just do is I'm like with a friend or something and we just spawn shark ships and then kill each other's shark ships, and then once we both get the reward we like just rejoin to get another reward. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the PvP update in A Pirate's Tale. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the chat and I will do my best to answer them. But until next time, I'm going to see you guys later.